In this video, I will show how to create shortcut key to open USB pen drive in Windows PC and laptop. So firstly, open File Explorer. Now in this PC, you will see a drive for pen drive. Actually, I don't have, so I will show you for D drive. Method is same. You can use this method for pen drive. Right click on it. Firstly, right click on it. Then show more options and create shortcut. Click on yes. Now exit. Now on your desktop, you will see a shortcut for your pen drive. Now right click on it. Then properties. Now in this shortcut key, you can create your own. Now give your own shortcut like Control Shift L. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. Now press Control Shift L. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.